everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Art. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I am going to do just a little, I'm going to embellish this piece, but the reason why that I'm doing it is because I have a couple spots that got messed up a little bit in the travels, and so I really like this piece. It's really beautiful, but I don't want to throw it away because it's so pretty. So I see a couple spots here that need a little touch up on the white. So I mixed up some resin here, and I'm going to put the resin down. And I don't know if I showed you guys this. I'm going to move this out of the way really quick. But I got this really cool little thing here to help mix up my resin, and gosh, does it save my hand. I'll put a link in the description for it. It's ISTOYO, Toyo. I don't know. I'll put it in the description. I got it off of Amazon, and you can get it with the machine and then like a couple attachments, and then you can order attachments separately as well. But when you get the resin on, I always run my fingers through, and I'll show you what I do, but you can peel it off after it's dry too. You can get that resin off so you can keep reusing it. But it's really nice to help mix up everything. I still do it for the same amount of time, the 4 to 5 minutes of mixing, just to make sure that it's fully mixed. But it just saves on my hand. My hands hurt so bad when I mix up these containers of resin, especially when I have like a big piece that I'm working on. And then I just kind of run it, and then I run my fingers down to kind of get the resin to go down. And then I just kind of do this on the ends. Just kind of get as much of the excess resin off of there that I can get. And then I just put it aside and let it dry. And then the next day I can peel that resin off of there and just reuse it again. Okay, so like I said, this has a little dent here. I had a little colors mixed up there from being not taken care of while we were going from show to show, which happens sometimes, but yeah. So I'm just going to pour some resin down.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more.
Alright, so I'm going to take this glove off here, because I'm going to use some mirrored glass in here. And I'm going to pour it on my table because I put back in this one a bunch of big chunks, and I don't want the big chunks in here, so I'm going to kind of have to pick these big pieces out. On my mirrored glass, this is from Barbecue Guys. I'll have a link in the description for them as well. They have really good deals all the time for their mirrored glass. Do make sure that you get the 1/4 inch if you order mirrored glass from them, because their 1/2 inch is humongous. Now I like the 1/2 inch when I do really big pieces, big geode pieces, but for the most part I like these smaller chunks. Yeah.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never.
Okay, so then I have some glitter here. This is from Michael's. I believe it's their iridescent. I just put it in a Walmart container though because I have the small holes that I can use. I like that. Kind of gives me a little bit more control over the glitter here. No, I kind of have some blue and purple I was thinking of putting in, but I kind of don't. Like, I'm kind of just liking it how it is. All right, I think I'm going to stop where I'm at. I like it how it is. It's really pretty. All right, I'm going to bring it down for a close-up so you can take a closer look at that one. All right, bringing it down for a close-up. Just look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. And then we got some mirrored glass with some sparkle. And that 24 karat gold, shimmer shimmer. I really like this piece. This is really a cool piece. Like that right there is, especially with it being with resin on it now, it just pops that out, and those are so cool. But you guys will have to tell me what you think. But you see how you can't even see where that dent was at all, or where I had to correct the paint over there. You can't even tell. So if you ever have a piece and you're like, ugh, it gets a little dinged up, you can always paint, touch it up and then use some resin and go over the top of it, and you won't even be able to tell that you had a little mishap on there. But I do thank everybody for joining me. Hope everybody is being healthy, staying healthy and being safe. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye-bye.